wine that tasted of tart, and the cheers and the jeers of the young newly pierced under the vine of the dark veranda. Do you remember Aline Miranda? Do you remember Aline Miranda? Do you remember Aline? And the cheers and the jeers of the young newly pierced who hadn't got a penny and who weren't paying any, and the hammer at the doors and the dip, and the hip hop hop of the clap of the hands to the swirl and the twirl of the girl got dancing, backing in advancing, snapping of the clapper to the spin out and the ting tong tang of the guitar. Do you remember Aline Miranda? Do you remember Aline Miranda? Do you remember Aline? Nevermore, Miranda, nevermore. Only a high-pitched horn, and I'm gonna store it at the door. No sound in the walls of the halls were cold. The tread of the feet of the dead to the ground. No sound but the boom of the